If I could make your number work, I still have to crunch numbers, okay? But if I could give you what you want, would you be open to possibly putting it on terms for me?
And I'm going to answer a question before you even ask me why I'm selling it. Is because in 2 years, I'm retiring.
Hey, Mark.
Yeah.
Hey, my name's Ashley. Sorry for my call so late in the evening on a Friday night. But I was interested in talking to you about your property on Culver. Are you still interested in selling that?
Yes, I am.
Oh, you are? Okay, that's awesome because I'm actively buying in that area. So I love to hear that. Tell me a little bit about the property.
Okay, what was your name again?
My name's Ashley, and I'll send you all of my information over too. I can text it over to you.
Okay, Ashley, listen. I must have gotten a dozen calls.
I bet.
For that property in Culver. I'm going to tell you what I told everyone else. Okay?
Sure.
I would like to get $225 for it. Okay? It's on Zillow for $278. I'd like to get $225. Okay? I already had one offer for $197. I declined it. Okay.
Okay.
So what I suggest is take a right by, look at the outside. Please don't bother the tenants.
I would not. I would never, just so you know.
Okay, tell me if you could, tell me how close you could come to 225, and then I would ask you for a letter of intent for that number, okay? Then we'll take the next step.
What about this? All right. I just have a few questions because I want to make sure that there's actually something here that I can work. So it's a 2-unit or a 3?
Both units are rented.
Okay.
$1,000 upstairs, $900 downstairs.
Do you think those are market rent?
The tenants, they've been my tenants since I owned the place.
Gotcha. Okay. So technically the rent probably could be a bit higher.
I'm sure it can.
Yeah. But they've been your tenants for a while. They pay their rent and I totally get it. Yeah.
And I'm going to answer a question before you even ask me why I'm selling it. Is because in 2 years, I'm retiring.
There
I'm
you
going to
go.
Florida. Okay, so that's why I'm selling these places. Now listen, I'm not in a hurry to sell it because I've still got 2 years to go. But if you give me the right offer, yes, I will sell it.
What about this? If I could make your number work, I still have to crunch numbers, okay? But if I could give you what you want, would you be open to possibly putting it on terms for me?
Put it on what?
So what I'm asking is, I'm looking at this. I actually have another property in Connecticut that I have under contract currently that will be closing in about a month. What the gentleman did for me is he's seller financing it to me. He put it on a 10-year balloon. But the reason why he's doing that is because he's actually retiring just like you are. He's retiring. He's a sheriff. And he looks at it as an investment opportunity because we get to put an interest rate on it. So you would actually technically make more than your number. So if that's something that you might be open to, I could put something together. I could send it over to you, let you look at it. I still have to crunch numbers on my end. And I still have some questions to ask you. Do each tenant pay their own utilities?
Yes, except for water.
Okay. What's your water run you about yearly? Doesn't matter.
I don't know about yearly. Let's see. I think it's about
approximately.
I think it's about I don't know, maybe 150. I think it's that bill is monthly.
Okay.
So it could be about 100 and a quarter a month, maybe.
Okay, that's perfect. So about $125 a month. Okay. One other question. So I know those tenants have been your tenants for a while. They're probably not paying market rent. So I'm assuming if it's not me that buys your property or if it's another investor, I'm assuming they'll either try to up the rent or try to, give them a notice and redo it, So what are they on for leases? Are they on like month to month, year?
I believe they're, let me think. I think they're, leases and in, I don't know, maybe June, maybe July.
Okay.
Somewhere around there, June or July.
So I would be open to working out a deal with you and maybe getting super creative that after the tenants are out, I'll be able to pay you more money. But in order to make the numbers work, it might I might have to finagle a few things and get super creative on this offer. But let me ask you this first, just so I can get an idea of what you would be open to. I know you're retiring, so would you want to hold this as an investment opportunity for yourself for like at least 10 years?
Listen, I would. I absolutely would, but I'm not going to do it for 10 years.
Okay, that's what I'm trying to figure out. So that
maybe 5.
Maybe 5?
Maybe 5.
All right.
Actually, listen, here's what I'm telling. Listen, I've had numerous calls on this property, numerous.
I'm sure you're annoyed.
Here's what I'm going to tell everybody.
Yeah.
Go take a ride by, take a look at the outside because the bones are good. I put 2 new water heaters in it. The furnaces are upkept every single year. They're maintained every single year. The roof is in decent shape. There's no leaks or nothing like that. Take a ride, see what you see. Give me your best offer and call me back.
I will do that. I was trying to do is just see like where you're at, how you want to, because I want to structure the note for you good. Like I said, I would love to do it the seller finance opportunity that way, because I think it would really be a win-win for both of us. I can give you your number, you can make more on it.
Right.
So, all right, let me do this. I will have my partners just swing by. No one's going to bother the tenants. We'll be very discreet about it, I promise. And I will give you a call back and let you know what I think. And is this a cell phone number that you're on?
Yes, it is. And you can call me at any time you want.
Perfect. I'm even going to text you over my card so you have all my info, my phone number's on there. Unless you have a pen and paper and you want to write it down.
No, text it to me.
Perfect. I will do that. Okay, so I'll text you right now and we will take a look at it and hopefully we can catch up sometime this weekend or Monday.
That's fine. That's absolutely fine. I'm okay with that.
Perfect. I appreciate your time on a Friday evening. You take care.
All right, you too.
Thank you. Bye-bye.